if I move my head, then isn't it not focused on me?
It's focused on you. Okay, where's your mascara? Do you have it handy? I got it.
Where? Oh.
Hello, YouTubers.
Hello. Hello.
So what we're working on today is putting purple mascara on Afton.
Yep.
All right,
Here
here we
we go. Look down. Look up. Look at my thumb. You're dumb. Just kidding. Look up. Look down. Look at my thumb. Okay, look down. Look up. Let me see. Ooh, pretty. I can't really see it.
Well, you're gonna see it later. Look up. Look down.
Is it done?
Wow, that is so pretty.
Is it done?
Yes, almost, because we're going to put 2 coats on.
Oh.
Okay, look, yes, look that way. Look that, yeah, that's good. Purple, it's purple eyeshadow. Or no, not purple eyeshadow.
Before I was like, is it? Do you get on me?
So beautiful.
Feels like you got it right here.
Oh, really? Let me see. Eyebrow. Look down. Look at my thumb. Gee, you're dumb. So dumb. Okay, I'm going to zoom in and get a close-up picture of these beautiful purple eyelashes. Hold on, fans and friends.
Is it messed up?
I don't think so. All
can't
right.
really see
She's
it.
trying to see it, but she can't.
I can't.
So just look over here at the camera. Okay, ready?
I like it from what I can see.
Okay. All right. Okay, there she is. This is the final.
Bye-bye, YouTubers.
Bye-bye, YouTubers. Thanks for watching our channel. See you later.
See you later.